Thanks so much for being here with us on this gorgeous Monday evening. Marblehead Lighthouse Cam showing us the blue skies, gorgeous weather, and a little bit of a cooler lake breeze for our immediate lakeshore areas, but no complaints about how today is unfolded with dry weather, and that is set to continue the rest of the evening. So if you have baseball games tonight, you're headed out for softball practice, or just enjoying a walk after dinner, you'll have an opportunity to do that with sundown time right around 8:30. Now, all the stormy weather tonight, we're going to watch this very close on radar. Northern Iowa, parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin are under an active tornado watch. And they're going to get some rough weather up there tonight. It's part of a front that's going to roll into our area tomorrow. A little more uncertain on how this is going to play out. So I'll put it in two terms here. An isolated risk of strong to severe storms, lower Michigan, northwest Ohio. The greater risk, that's going to be a level 3 out of 5. It's going to be more from Columbus to Cleveland to Akron, Canton, and Youngstown. So east of us is where that greater risk of storms will be. Still could get a few isolated strong storms into our area. So the threat would be about 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Gusty winds is going to be the main threat, some small hail. We are not expecting storms that will be producing tornadoes in our area tomorrow afternoon and evening. All right, from the stormy weather to what's happening in the skies above us, had some brand new data in last night. How about this? 500 million birds in migration last night, with over 3 million across Ohio, and those numbers only expected to go up over the next several days and weeks. We're headed close to the peak. It starts right around late April of the bird migration season, headed northward May 3rd through the 7th into northwest Ohio and southern Michigan. And that's going to line us up perfectly with the biggest week in American birding, which takes place right here in northwest Ohio, brings tens of thousands of people into the area. That is May 9th through the 18th, right around the peak of the birding season. So lots of great sights to be had across northwest Ohio. Rest of the night tonight, hour by hour forecast. If you hear some birds chirping away, it's going to be a beautiful evening for that. Clear skies, calm winds, and it will be a warm night tonight. Lows will stay in the 60s overnight tonight. Now, part of the uncertainty about tomorrow's storm threat, we're expecting rain showers in the morning, some cloud cover, and if you follow the weather, that tends to limit the overall severe weather risk. So we do expect there are some limiting factors from a more significant instance of severe weather. Still could get a few storms tomorrow afternoon. We'll say around 1 to 2 p.m. firing up, and storms through early to late afternoon. Here's the clock, 4 p.m. A few of those storms working to the east. I would suspect our greater risk is actually going to be south and east of the Toledo metro into Tuesday evening, and most of those storms going to be gone by about 8 p.m. tomorrow evening. So we'll get a little bumpy at times tomorrow. Scattered showers and storms, highs into the lower 80s, much more humid feeling weather. It is going to be sort of a sticky feeling day tomorrow. We drop from 82 Tuesday to 62 on Wednesday. Thursday, on and off showers and storms, another unsettled day. And as you heard moments ago, it is the kickoff of our St. Jude Dream Home giveaway. Thursday, your day to get your ticket. 73 the high on Thursday, 64 Friday, a few showers. Another cooler start to the weekend, near 60 Saturday, low 70s on Sunday. And look at next week, we're going to hit full stride with that gorgeous weather, mid to upper 70s, dry, beautiful weather as we go through that first full week of May.